new shop. That little window up there is going to be where my electronic shops is moving to. I've been given permission to use this 16 3/4 by 9 3/4 room. And right now it's dark. Let me pull my flashlight out. It's not much right now. We're still working on the electrical stuff. But this will be the space. All my storage will be over here. We'll have 5 shelves. That will probably stack up to right about there. I think they were 6-foot shelves, and 6 foot is way up here. And there's going to be a large desk over here. This will be the work desk. Over in the corner part of the desk is where the 3D printer, CNC machine, and one day a laser cutter will go. Well, desktop CNC machine, desktop laser cutter. What I plan on doing is having to be mounted to a board that can be taken off the desk, put away, either stored in a massive space above the desk or maybe underneath the desk. And then on the actual tabletop itself is where the item that I use will sit at. There's not really enough room to have 3 of them just side by side next to each other. So I gotta make use of my space. I just went through and replaced all the outlets earlier this week. I put a USB 2.0 one here for power. It gives off 3.7 amps, which is a lot more than I want for some devices, like charging a phone. But then there's other devices that it would be perfect for, such as a USB-C powered laptop or a USB-C powered soldering iron. It just makes it a little more convenient to have it built into the socket. 4 of them are just regular outlets. There's the switch, which is hooked up in series with it. Not the best setup, but this is a loft room in a shop. And over here is going to be the outlet that protects the whole thing. AFCI, GFCI, arc fault, ground fault. The only reason I haven't installed it, however, we've got to get an electrician in here. The entire room has ground. Here's the ground wire. The entire room is grounded to itself, but the supply line where the power comes into the room has no ground. It's just these stranded wires, one hot, one neutral. That'll be on my expense. I'll be the one that has to buy that, or pay for the electrician, since I'm the one using this unwanted room. But other than that, I'm free to do just about whatever. Move in, get my stuff set up. I've got some things already brought up here, but I'm definitely going to have to build my own tables. I don't know what I'll do with the space in front of the window. I'd like to not block it. But if I don't block it, that's about 3 foot of space I can't use. Maybe 4. There was a door here, but it opened up inwards this way, which would have gotten it in the way. There's a little area back here that just houses the water heater, so I just threw the door there. You didn't need it. Also, can't really get in here anyways. I'd have to duck around this electrical line. That's industrial wiring for you. the light does work, or it did. That's where, you know, the supply comes in. With the outlet being out, it won't power the rest of the room. But you kind of want these types of outlets on the supply input. That way it protects the entire room. So for the meantime, it's going to be dark in here. I had a lamp earlier because I was using that to work in here alongside this. But that was before I replaced that outlet. Anyways, this is the current state of the room. In the next few weeks, I'm probably not going to be officially settled until the end of July, and that's just because of the money. I gotta buy the materials for the desk. I gotta pay for the electrician. And I gotta get a few other things to set up. But it's a start, and I'm very excited for it. I just recently got a project that I really haven't had the time to work on because I just don't have the room at home anymore. It is a radio project that I'm working on. Kind of similar to that one I posted about a while back, that automotive one. And this is just a stencil for it. I haven't even looked at the stencil yet because I haven't had the time to take it apart. Let's take a peek at the stencil. Living in a tiny apartment sucks. But sometimes the job you work for has some benefits. Come on, you just lift it up. I just had you up. There we go. Not bad. I just wish JLC PCB wouldn't give me such a massive board. I'm guessing they make it so massive just because that's how they get their stuff in. Oh well. Anyways, stay tuned.